The Village of Colors. A long, long time ago, in a hidden valley nestled between mountains, there was a small village called Harmony. What made this place special was that each person had a different color of skin, hair, and eyes. Some were completely blue, others green, some as red as fire or as golden as the sun. It was a colorful village, full of life, but also full of disagreements. Each color group believed their way of doing things was the best. The blues said silence was a sign of wisdom, the yellows loved to laugh out loud, and the reds preferred to speak passionately and at full volume. Little by little, they began to drift apart, each group retreating to its own corner, criticizing and mocking the others. One day, the river that ran through the village dried up. Everyone was shocked. Without water, they couldn't grow crops, cook, or clean. The arguments grew more intense, with each group blaming the others for the disaster. But an elderly woman with purple skin, named Sabina, gathered everyone in the town square. With a soft but steady voice, she said, "Each of you has something valuable. But until you learn to live together, to respect and to listen to one another, this village will not be harmony, but conflict." "And what do you suggest?" shouted a red. "Go to the spring in the mountain. Only together will you be able to open its gate. The river is waiting for you to act as one." Distrustful at first, but with no other option, the villagers began the journey. The path was steep and difficult, and that's where they discovered they needed the strength of the reds, the patience of the blues, the joy of the yellows, and the wisdom of the purples. When they finally reached the spring, they saw that the gate was marked with symbols of all the colors. Only when they touched it together, each with their different hands, did the gate open and the water began to flow once more. From that day on, Harmony truly lived up to its name. They learned that tolerance isn't about grudging acceptance, but about recognizing that difference is a treasure that helps us grow and overcome any drought, even the kind that dries up the heart. Let me know in the comments if you enjoyed the story. What color would you be and why? You can also share this tale with some of your friends. It's important for all of us to understand the value of tolerance and to learn how to live with it so we can become a happy community. Until next time.